Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to set up voice commanded Siri on iPhone, so let's get started. Now open Settings, and then scroll till you find Siri and search. Open it. Then navigate to listen for Hey Siri. Enable Siri, and follow the steps. Say the texts. That's it, you have successfully set up your Siri. You can call by saying, Hey Siri, and ask your questions.
It's 10:57. Sorry, once again, it's 10:57 p.m.
If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more. And hit the like button if you found this helpful. And let me know what you thought in the comments below.